welcome. My name is Sam Cronin. I'm the new head of science here at DBS. I've been teaching science for about 20 years now. I've originally come from the UK, so teaching around London area. I studied at the University of Exeter, so in England, down in the West Country area, and just really fell in love with science from having a really fantastic science teacher myself. So particularly biology, so my favourite teacher at school was my A-level biology teacher. Hello, Mr. Preston. And he was just a really engaging and fun teacher, really made me enjoy the subject, always taught me new things and things outside of just the curriculum. So that made me want to give something back, and teaching and being able to teach science in particular was something that I felt I would be able to really engage with and really be happy doing. I think teaching is an amazing job, and I really enjoy interacting with students, helping to show them the wonders of science and explore all of the wonders of the universe, how we build science into our everyday. And I just think it's one of the most fundamental subjects that everybody should have at least a basic understanding of. I've been in Thailand now, this is my 6th year in Thailand, and we moved from Rayong area, decided to move to the city and saw the advertisement for DBS. Did a lot of investigating, and it was somewhere that I felt myself and my son could really make a difference. And since being here, I know it's definitely the right decision, because from day one, staff have been supportive, helpful. The students are amazing, really engaged in their learning, really enjoying being in the school. So yeah, I think I've definitely made the right decision and I'm really enjoying it.